Hey viewers, welcome to Honest Explorer, your go-to channel for thoroughly tested, deeply researched, and completely unbiased TV reviews. We don't just list TV specs, we put every TV to the test using scientific equipment, so you know exactly what you're getting before you hit that Buy Now button. Looking for the best deal on today's featured TV? We've got you covered. Check out the special purchase links in the description, because who doesn't love saving some cash? Before we dive in, do us a quick favor. Subscribe to join the Honest Explorer family and hit that like button if you love our honest reviews. We drop in-depth tech reviews and comparisons every week, so turn on notifications and never miss an update. All right, enough waiting. Let's get to the good part. Today, we're reviewing the LG G4 OLED, a masterpiece of design and performance. This TV is all about delivering true-to-life visuals thanks to its OLED EVO panel, which offers brighter images compared to traditional OLEDs. The result is a screen that's perfect for both dark and bright rooms. The i9 AI processor Gen 6 is another standout feature. It enhances every aspect of the picture, from contrast to color accuracy, ensuring that whatever you're watching looks absolutely stunning. And with support for Dolby Vision IQ, this TV automatically adjusts the picture settings based on the lighting in your room for the optimal viewing experience. The design is equally impressive. The gallery design allows the TV to sit flush against your wall, transforming it into a sleek and modern work of art. Sound quality is top-notch too, with Dolby Atmos delivering cinematic audio that perfectly complements the visuals. That said, OLED TVs like the G4 still face challenges with brightness compared to mini-LED models, and it's definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum. But if you want a TV that's as stylish as it is capable, the LG G4 OLED is an excellent pick. With its stunning picture quality, immersive sound, and smooth gaming performance, this TV definitely checks all the boxes for a modern entertainment experience. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, diving into the latest games, or just enjoying crisp, vibrant visuals, this TV delivers. Don't forget to check out the special deals in the video description if you're thinking about picking one up for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.